The damaged excavator wheel hub was considered useless, but with just 200 rupees, it can be repaired. The repair even comes with a 365-day warranty. The brake was a crushing fracture. If it were welded, the strength would not meet the standard, but the mechanic already had a detailed repair plan. First, he fixed the hub onto a lathe. Then, he smoothed out the broken surface. Next, he carefully machined the inside hole. The hole had to match the size of the iron insert. This allowed the hub to be restored using a threaded joint method. The mechanic also cut threads into the inner wall. This step was critical. The tight threading greatly increased stability. Once the threading was finished, he placed the iron insert inside the hub. It was fixed on the lathe again. The end face was machined to make it smooth. He also drilled new holes where needed. To ensure the holes were even, he removed rough layers from the inner wall. After the diameter was precise, he measured it with calipers. This confirmed that it matched the size of the steel tube. After the inner hole was completed, threads were cut inside it as well. When the threading of the insert was done, the mechanic moved on to the steel tube. This tube was